Hey guys, welcome back to Sky Talks Trading. My name is Sky and I am on a quest to invest, and these are 5 penny stocks that I think are definitely worth putting on your watch list. I'm not a financial advisor though, so I can't tell you what to invest in, but I can tell you my opinions and we can all be friends. The first penny stock that I want to talk about is Xela, and that is Xela Technologies Incorporated, a global business process automation BPA leader. Now, what drew me to this penny stock is its excellent, healthy, and bullish fundamentals, bullish chart, breakout confirmation. It's got a Fintel NR1 ranking short squeeze score of 99% at the time of making this video. Several strong buy ranking from lots of analysts. It's got 22,000 employees, operations in 22 countries, clients in 50 plus countries, and I'm sure I don't have to tell you that the technology industry is on fire right now. It's a very volatile stock, which, that means it can spike fast and reach new highs very quickly. And of course, as you know, what comes up must come down. So it does take some wild rides. And if you're willing to hang on for those wild rides, you might be able to make a nice little profit. Like I said, it is a tech penny stock that engages in a variety of digital business process services. These include info managing, document processing, and more. There are a few sides to Xela's business that make it an interesting penny stock to watch. The first aspect for investors to consider is their information and transaction process solutions. This offers lending services to those that need mortgages, auto loans, and more. Also, its healthcare solutions division provides financial services to the healthcare market, which is another very necessary service, especially right now. And lastly, its legal and loss prevention division process legal claims for action settlement needs. So they've got their hand in several different buckets. I don't think that's the right phrase. So yeah, while this may seem broad, the variety of its business opportunities is what separates Xela from other penny stocks. On July 12th, Xela announced that it has expanded its robotic process automation offerings with intelligent document processing. The president of Xela, Suresh Yannamani, said, Xela continues to iterate and advance solutions to meet our customers' changing needs. The latest IDP and EON combination embraces the evolving work from anywhere environment that customers and their employees are embracing. So on the day of this announcement, the stock increased by 19%. A lovely little increase there. The next penny stock I want to talk about is Alset eHome International, and the ticker for that is AEI. So this is a penny stock that is involved in the property development market. And some of its offerings include home building, land development, sales, and several other home-based products. The company also designs apps for enterprise e-commerce platforms as well. So that's interesting. But that's not all. Alset additionally has a division for researching nutritional chemistry to make a natural sugar alternative. Very strange combination, housing, e-commerce, sugar. On June 21st, it was announced that Alset eHome International will deliver its first 20 e-homes that have Tesla Inc. PV solar panels, power walls, and EV chargers. In the words of the CEO, Charlie McKenzie, we are delivering what we believe will be the model housing ecosystem of the future. As more people look to make sustainable choices in their selection of homes, we are keen on making the transition for our customers the easiest it can be. This will also help accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The company plans to develop more than 5,000 intelligently designed e-homes in the next 3 to 5 years. On July 12th, AEI stock is up more than 15% in the market, so it's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Very interesting. I might do a whole video on that because it seems like there's a lot to dig into, especially with the sugar aspect or the alternative sugar aspect. Stock I want to talk about is kind of an interesting one. It's called Fami Inc. and the ticker for that is Fami. And it is a penny stock, and it is a company that is all about mushrooms. In case you didn't know, people really love mushrooms. It's kind of one of those things that they're quite fanatical about. So yeah, they process and sell edible fungi such as shiitake mushrooms. You know, these like fancy mushrooms. I've never had them, to be honest. I just like the button mushrooms. That's all I'm into. Just simple, straightforward button mushrooms. They also do bamboo fungi, Hericium araneus, and dried black fungus. It has definitely become a huge market in the past year or so. These products are then sold to stores, restaurants, and distributors worldwide. You know, I've heard claims of like these mushrooms being good for depression and anxiety and just enhancing your overall brain function. I guess they taste nice too. At the end of June, the company received a new product export order from Vancouver. This order for Fami's dried black fungus is expected to bring both a new market for Fami and a substantial revenue stream. The CEO, Yafang Zhang, said, "Our level of customer engagements continues to expand as we add further value with our leading packaging and logistics to ensure product quality, flavor, and minimizing costly waste." This announcement added to the list of product orders Fami has received over the last few months. So, you know, they're continually getting new product orders. You know, despite some tumultuous price action, many investors are putting a close eye on this stock. The next penny stock I want to mention is Alt Global Holdings, and the ticker for that is DPW. So this is an industrial penny stock that designs, develops, and manufactures power system solutions. The company then sells these products to those in the medical and military sectors. Its products include power supply products, power conversion, distribution equipment, and much more. These products are sold both independently and through distributors. On July 13th, Alt released its preliminary second quarter financial results for 2021. The company reported revenue of $62 million, which is a staggering 1,048% increase year over year. That is very impressive. Its income before taxes was $44 million compared to a $1.4 million loss the previous year. I want to know what they are doing in there to get these incredible turnaround results. Because it's very impressive. $300,000 of Alt's revenue comes from cryptocurrency mining since it's resumed operations in March 2021. This massive increase in its revenue is the main reason that shares are moving up right now, and understandably so. So in the words of the founder and executive chairman, Milton Todd Alt, our preliminary financial results in the second quarter of 2021 reflect strength of our lending and trading activities at DP Lending, our financial services subsidiary. We believe our current lending and investing pipeline is strong, and if the market conditions for investing in small cap stocks remain strong, the future prospects for the company are extremely promising. We see strength across all of our subsidiaries and expect to allocate additional capital to our lending and investment platform in the third quarter. And the final penny stock that I want to talk about is Reshape Life Sciences Inc. And the ticker is RSLS. And it's a biotech penny stock that is definitely an interesting choice for your watch list. They basically focus on creating medical devices for managing and treating obesity and metabolic diseases. One of its products is the Reshape Vest. Basically, it's a device that is implanted for use in treating obesity. It can do this without cutting or removing portions of the stomach, which is quite a breakthrough compared to existing methods. On July 7th, Reshape Life Sciences announced that it has moved its lap band manufacturing to the United States. To quote the president and CEO, Bart Bandy, "Moving lap band production under our direct operations allows us to have better control of the manufacturing process for significant cost reductions, anticipated scale, and improved efficiency. As we all emerge from the recent pandemic, we are proud to provide products that are able to help a growing population of people with weight loss needs and to support the addition of new manufacturing and logistics jobs in the United States." So yeah, the lap band product is a long-term treatment for severe obesity. Since this announcement was made, RSLS stock went from under $4 per share to $4.59 per share as of July 12th. So this is a pretty big indication of bullish sentiment. But with manufacturing closer to home, the company should be able to make the process more efficient and, as mentioned, improve the costs associated with it as well. So very interesting. Obesity is a big problem, and it's also a problem that people are very desperate to fix. So if there's a solution that doesn't involve going under the knife with lengthy recovery times, I think that could be absolutely huge and very much in demand. Let me know down below if there's any of these penny stocks that you want me to, do a deeper dive into. I didn't want to go too deep into them because this is, like I say, this is a new type of video for me, and I don't know if you guys like it or if you want me to just keep on focusing on one stock per video. Let me know anyway your thoughts. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great day.